I made 100 Christmas cards in 3 days, and adults not know this, but I'm gonna pass them out. So I'm gonna pass them out on Sunday after service is over. So hopefully everybody at the church like I bet they will. So yeah, especially the Christmas cards are made for everybody, adults and the kids also. Bye.